Hi, on Groww app, redeeming your mutual funds is very easy. Sometimes it may happen so that you redeem some mutual fund units and were expecting more money than what you actually received. Let me explain how redemption works. NAV or net asset value of mutual fund units is updated every day at 9 pm by the respective fund houses. Now suppose you placed a redemption order on 7th of May before 3 pm. At the time of placing your redemption order, the NAV that you will see on your Groww app will be as of May 6th. In this case, if the NAV of 7th May is more than the NAV of 6th May, then you will receive more money as compared to your order amount. If the NAV of 7th May is less than the NAV of 6th May, then you will receive less money as compared to your order amount. In case you place the order after 3 pm on 7th of May, then the NAV of 8th May or next working day will be considered. Rest assured, you can expect the redemption amount to be exactly as per the latest available NAV. I hope this was helpful. Bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.